Hello, welcome to week 5. Hopefully you have had a chance to look at your assessment portfolio and start working on part of that. That's going to be due next week. But if you have questions about selected or constructed response or performance or portfolio assessments, please let me know. Hopefully I'll be getting you the feedback soon on your quiz so you can make any modifications if needed. But this week we're going to kind of take a break from that and we'll move on to assessing with technology. And so this is a separate assignment from your portfolio, but it gives you a chance to catch up on anything if needed and then work to create some assignments with using technology and all the knowledge that you've gained so far. So first of all, I do want you to complete this reading from Tucker. It's about assessing with technology. So it'll give you kind of a background about the importance and value of technology. And again, it's something that you'll be assessed on. And then there are some modules, and we're fortunate to have Mrs. Marcy Moore in our college. And she does a lot to help us with technology and then to help you guys as well. So I want you to read through these different things that she put together. It describes different types of technology tools, some of which you're probably familiar with, like Kahoot or quizzes or Flipgrid. And it just kind of walks you through ways to create your own. And then for your assignment this week, you will be creating two different types of technology assessments. So this is the instructions for your technology assessment. And so I want you to come up with 2 examples. And it's going to be up to you. You can share it with us and post the link. Or you can take some screenshots of an assessment you've created. You don't have to be extremely extensive, but just put a couple of questions because I want you to have a chance to kind of practice with some technology. So again, perhaps you put in 2 or 3, I put on here 4 or 5 Kahoot questions, and then just take a screenshot or share it. And then also, use another kind of technology like, say, Seesaw or quizzes or something else that is in that module. So you're going to practice creating 2 of your own, and then we're going to do a peer review. So upload them here. When you click on this Google folder, it will link into our class folder, and you'll paste your technology here. If you want to put Word documents in, or if you want to put a Word document with links, however you're able to post them here. And just be sure that you have those posted by the 19th, which is Thursday. So they need to be posted in there on Thursday. And then after Thursday, your peers are going to go and review. So this is a link to editing. So between Thursday and Sunday, or before, if people already have it posted, I want you to choose a peer's assignment to review, and you're going to complete this form. And then, and this is where you will upload your final technology. So I won't go into the Google folder to review. That's just for sharing it with your peers. And then this is where you'll actually put like the screenshots or the links or whatever to your technology. So as you're working through this, if you have questions, please post in the course questions. But just make sure that you have thoroughly read through this assignment and read through the rubric. So these are guiding questions for your peer when you're reading his or her. But basically, the technology just needs to demonstrate that you can create an assessment with technology. And the second one as well, make sure that it looks nice, that it doesn't have errors, and then you get 20 points for your peer review. So you have to have at least 2 products. You review 2 different peers' assignments. So, and then you submit your final assignment for me to grade. So you'll have all week to work on that, and then get it posted for peers, provide feedback, and then post the your final comments. So let me know if you have questions, and I look forward to seeing them this week.